This is the filter-free humidifier, and I've done a review on this humidifier. If you want to see that, follow the link at the end of the video. But this is to show you how to disinfect this specific humidifier, and I've got the manual here. There's actually 2 different ways listed, and this way over here is using vinegar, and it's their weekly care and cleaning. It's more for descaling it, and I will have the link to show you how to do that at the end of the video also. But this is the disinfect, so it's more thorough in the way of getting germs and all that gunk out. So let's get started. First, you're going to take this off. If it has any water in it, make sure you empty it out. Make sure it's unplugged from the outlet. You don't want to get electrocuted or anything. And take the nozzle off. And take this off. There we go. And then here, I have a demineralization cartridge. This specific humidifier does not come with one, but you can buy it separate. You do not want to soak it in bleach. So set it aside, and then you have the base. Now, also, what you will need, set this back here, is a gallon of water, and you're going to use some bleach, and you need 1 teaspoon of bleach for a gallon of water. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to try to do this very carefully. Okay, we've got 1 teaspoon of bleach in 1 gallon of water. I'm going to kind of make sure it's stirred there. And then it says to use 1/2 to 3/4 of this gallon between this and that. So we're going to fill this up all the way to the brim. You can tell my counters aren't level. There we go. And then I'm going to carefully move this over here. And I am going to put the rest of it in this container. Good bleachy water. Alright, so we have this with bleach water and then this with bleach water. I'm going to take this, the nozzle, put it down in there and let it soak. And take this and put it in there and let it soak. There we go. And there. So, now that we have all that done, we're going to let it soak for 15 to 20 minutes, and we'll be right back. Alright, it's been 15 to 20 minutes, and the directions say to take a soft cloth and to kind of wipe down on the inside of this, and just wipe it down anywhere that grime may have come up and come loose. And if you want to, you can use a glove, because this is probably going to dry my hands out, something horrible. But I'm actually using a disposable Clorox wipe to do this, so that none of my towels get bleached. And now that we've wiped that down, let's go over to the sink. Okay, I spilled most of it on the way over here, but dump what's left out, like that. Set these aside. And you're just going to rinse it off until the smell of bleach is gone. I'm just using my sprayer and just rinsing it all off. And then you rinse off each of these. And if you need to wipe those down at all, you can do that. And then grab the water base and dump it out. And do the same thing, just rinse it really well. Let it dump out. There we go. And you're going to need to set these up on your counter to dry. I find that it takes about 36 to 48 hours for them to dry completely, especially this. It takes forever to get all the water out. And you do not want to put this in the box with any water still left in it. Otherwise, you've defeated the purpose and it will mold and get yucky again. So, leave it on your counter until you know for sure that it's completely dry. And give me just a second, I'll show you how I do that. Okay, I've got them set up, ready to dry. Like I said, it'll take 36 to 48 hours for this base to get completely dry. I will flip it up like this, part way through, and then flip it back up like this, and let it dry both ways, and you can press in this right here and let water out through there, and I'll do that periodically as it dries and water drips down to the bottom of the base. But after it completely dries, you can stack it up, put it together, and put it in the box. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, place them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. And have a wonderful day. Thanks, guys.